How to reset progress into the Encode app. If you have been using the Encode application and want to read on how to reset progress on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto Settings at the top right corner. Select it. Then scroll down and here you can find Reset Progress right here at the end. Select it. Then here you can find this action will delete all your progress including earned certificates. You will need to restart from the beginning. So if you want that, simply tap on to reset. And now you can see the progress is now reset. And that's it. This is how you can reset progress into the Encode app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.